Hey Spartans, welcome to episode 3. Yo, what's up Spartans? Do you own a sports bike? If you do, you're gonna want to swap this out. You about to go to work?
Yes.
Do you love your job? Yeah. Did they force you to say that?
And I love your patience.
You love your patience.
Yeah. Help me.
Oh. What do we have here? Excuse me? Are we cheating on our diet? Do y'all see what I see? You wanna know how many calories this thing is? Let's look. How many calories is this? 200 calories for 2 pieces. 400 calories for the entire thing.
I was hungry.
You know how many calories that entire package is?
You know how many calories that McDonald's is gonna have that I'm about to go eat?
Do you know how many calories that Reese's thing is?
You know I don't care about calories.
Yeah, but just take a guess. How many calories are 4 Reese's?
300 calories.
400 calories. Yo, what's up Spartans? Alright, so today we're talking about a simple mod that you can put on your bike that takes less than 10 seconds to install, but makes your bike look 10 times better. Don't believe me? Watch this. Alright, so the mod that I'm talking about that only takes 10 seconds to swap out is the rear seat. Owning a sports bike, you don't get a lot of passengers, so getting a seat cover will improve the appearance, and it's a simple, quick mod, and it's not very expensive either. Mine costs about $25, and I know a lot of you love the Ninja 400. That one has one you can replace too. It looks really cool. It's a little bit more expensive than 25 bucks. But what I'm trying to say is it's a not very expensive mod. Takes 10 seconds to swap out, but improves the looks of your bike by a lot. And it's a simple fix, very simple fix. I'm gonna show you the before and after real quick, just so you can see. All right, so this is what it looks like before the rear seat cover, and this is what it looks like after. Alright, so it's a pretty seamless design. I went with the carbon fiber ones to match my bike. I could have chosen solid black or red or something like that, but I thought this one would look the best. And of course, they make it for the Ninja 400. This one looks really cool online. It comes in teal color, in red, white, black. Whatever color you have, it has one. I'm thinking about getting it. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see, we'll see.
Are you ready?
Girl, I've been ready. I'm just sitting here.
Okay. Hey y'all, thanks to all the Spartans for sending us books through the Amazon wish list. Why'd you mess me up?
Do it again.
Alright, here we go. Hey y'all, special thanks to all...
I didn't do anything.
I can feel the energy off of you laughing at me.
I didn't even laugh. I just went like this. So they would see me smile.
Stop.
Dora, get out of the bag, boy.
Hey y'all, thanks to all the Spartans okay, sorry. Hey y'all, special thanks to, okay, we're not special thanks. Hey y'all, special thanks to, oh my god.
Imagine being on a movie set with her. You wouldn't, you'd be like,
we'd be there all day.
It'd be like, take 942. First scene.
Oh, the first 3 words, I can't even get it out of my mouth. Okay. Hey y'all, thanks to all the Spartans who bought a book from the Amazon wish list. This one is my favorite.
Special thank you to the Commander, Yut, Jockey Boy, Nicholas, Nick, White Shadow, Condom Drone, Matthew, Fox, and Moist Marble Bags for sending out the books. Again, thank you. And now we're gonna place the books where they go in the Sun Library. Let's go do that. Alright, so the Queen and I, we were headed to Poke Bros. It's one of her favorite restaurants. It's like, well, we'll show you what it's like.